Hey guys, it's me. I'm here at the house and I'm gonna go in because they have done the drywall and I want to check it out and see how they did with everything. Scaffolding's still here. They haven't done the stucco yet. We still don't have water or electric. The majority of the guys that, wow, from Great Basin have COVID. So Great Basin is the water company that's supposed to do the drilling for the septic tank and our water and whatnot. And then, of course, Valley Electric for our electric and computer stuff and all that stuff. So anyway, I'm inside the door. Vaulted ceilings. Not bad, not bad. There's the living room. There's my kitchen. So, yeah. It looks so different now. I'm gonna go over here. Sliding glass doors. Inside my pantry. Yeah. Over to the left, that's where the laundry room and smart closet or whatever Chuck and them are gonna do in regards to computers and all that kind of crap. So, and then I'm gonna have a nice sconce right there, and of course electrical. And this is gonna be the master. There's TV and internet and all that stuff. That. Then, of course, over here, it's going to be the bathroom, or the washroom. There's my linen closet. And this is going to be our walk-in closet. Can't really tell how big it is by just looking at it. That's where the commode's going to be. Then our nice big shower. It's going to be there. And that's where our vanity is going to be. So, and then here's Chuck's office. It's looking great. Looks nice that we actually have walls in here. And nice sliding glass doors leading outside. I don't know how well you can see, but that's outside. I love it that we got the beautiful views of the mountains. That's that. Now I'll go over to the guest rooms. Here we are. This is officially my cousin Brian's guest room. So, and that's a big closet right there. So, a semi walk-in closet, but anyway, this is the guest bathroom, a washroom. It's looking good. And then the other guest room with a nice big sort of walk-in closet organizer. So, yeah, it's looking great. I can't wait. Things are coming together. Looking good. Yeah. I love this picture window because it'll allow me to put up my nice big Christmas trees that I always like to buy. And you'll be able to see it on the outside. I can't wait until my kitchen comes together. I'm excited. And of course, all the pot lights that we have for lighting and everything. I like that. And then there's a couple of, those are going to be switches, electrical switches, so that I can plug stuff in. And like some lights or lamps or whatever have you. So this is it so far. Hair Manor West. Can't wait until it gets further down the road. Till then, have a great weekend and we will see you soon.